Yes po.
So good morning, everyone. This is the week 8 of Mathematics 10. Continuation tayo ng probability for this week. So let me share my screen first. Okay. So for this week, we'll be talking about independent and dependent probability. Balikan lang natin last week, we discussed exclusively and non-exclusive, mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive probability. Kapag sinabi natin mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive, ito yung pagkakataon na tinitingnan natin whether the given situation ay may overlap o wala. Kapag walang overlap, that will be mutually exclusive at kailangan lang natin i-add ang kanila pong probability. While kapag naman po meron tayong non-mutually exclusive, ibig sabihin there's an overlap between two condition, i-add natin ang probability ng bawat isa at isusubtract natin ang intersection or overlap ng condition na to. Hey, so ano pong pinagkaiba ng independent and dependent probability sa mutually exclusive? In this case, ito ay ang tinatawag nating independent and dependent probability ay sitwasyon kung saan successive ang pagbunot natin ng ating pong variable or a given situation. Ibig sabihin may bubunot ng isa, after bumunot ng isa o pumili ng isa, may kasunod ulit na pagpili. Saan naghiwalay ang independent at dependent probability? Pag sinabi kasi nating independent probability, ibig sabihin, bumunot ka ng isa, bagos, it's either binalik mo or pinaltan mo muna yung binunot mo bago ka pumunot ng sumunod. Pero kapag dependent probability, ibig sabihin noon, bumunot ka ng isa, unang bunot mo, hindi mo na pinaltan, ibig sabihin causing the choices na mag-lowered, ibig sabihin pababa na sa susunod na pagpili mo. To understand this better, let's have some example. Okay, some example. Okay, let's have the situation number 1. Consider a box that contains 14 red balls, 12 blue balls, and 9 yellow balls. A ball is thrown at random and the color is noted, then put back inside the box. Then another ball is thrown. So makikita nyo po dito, kukuha raw po ng bola, then ibabalik, then saka bubunot ng isa. Ibig sabihin, walang nabawas. Kapag sa second natin pagbunot, kompleto pa rin yung choices natin. Kung ilan yung unang choices natin, kompleto pa rin dahil ibinalik naman natin yung binunot natin. Okay? So this is what we call independent probability. Okay? So the question now, may ilang bola ba sa loob ng box natin? In total. Ipon. Ilan ang bola sa loob ng ating box?
35 po.
35. Bakit naging 35? That's 14 plus 12, 26 plus 9, 35. Ibig sabihin, sa loob ng box, there are 35. Palitan natin yung kulay. There are 35 balls. No. Ngayon, ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, ano raw ang probability na kapag bumunot ako ng unang, sa letter A tayo, unang bunot natin ay blue at ang pangalawang bunot ko ay blue. Given that kapag bumunot ako ng unang blue, ibabalik ko iyon at bubunot ulit ako at kung gusto ko ulit makuha ay kulay blue. So let's go straight first with the first bunot. What is the probability of getting a blue from a box? Sige nga po. Sabi natin sa box may 35 balls. Ngayon, what is the probability na makuha natin blue? Sige, sa gulo.
12 over 35 po.
That's correct. That's 12 over 35. We have 12 choices of blue out of 35 balls sa loob nun. Ngayon, since ito ang probability, technically nakakuha tayo ng isang blue, ibinalik natin ulit yung blue. Sa pangalawang pagbunot, ilan ang laman ng box? Ilan pa rin ang laman ng box? Nabawasan ba yung box o hindi?
Po.
Nabawasan ba yung box? Hindi. Yung laman ng box?
Hindi po.
Hindi, kasi 35 kasi binalik natin. So technically 35 pa rin yung laman. So ngayon, ang gusto ko ulit mabunot ay blue. So what is the probability of that blue?
12/35 pa din
Still,
po.
it's 12/35 pa rin. So, in that case, dahil this is a successive activity, katulad dati, kapag successive yung activity, ibig sabihin, hindi pa tapos yung isang activity, we will be using multiplication. Okay, so that will be 12/35 times 12/35. So, it will be easier for us if kaya natin i-lowest term to. Kaya ba natin i-lowest term? I think 35 is 7 times 5. Kaso nga lang wala namang parte ng 12 ang 7 at saka 5. So wala tayong lowest term. So all we have to do now is to multiply. 12 times 12,
144 po.
144, that's correct. Then 35 times 35,
1,225 po.
1,200.
25.
25. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, the probability of getting 2 blue balls after successive picking is 144 over 1,025. Let's have letter B. Okay? What is the probability raw na ang unang bunot natin ay red? How about red naman daw?
14/35 po.
14/35 po.
14/35, that's correct. Ngayon, after getting a red, binalik natin, what is the probability of getting a yellow naman?
9/35 pa rin po.
9/35.
35.
So, yan. 9/35. So, baka pwede natin i-lowest term. Meron ba ditong pwedeng i-lowest term? Salisbury. 14/35. I think both are divisible by 7. So this will be 14 divided by 7 will be 2.
2,
And 35 divided by 7 is 5.
5 po.
Diba? Meron pa? Wala na. So we can now multiply this. 2 times 9,
18
18
po.
po.
18. 35 times 5,
175.
1. Ilan pa?
175 po.
175. So, yan. 175. So, ibig sabihin, the probability of getting the red first, then yellow on the second, will be 18/175. Eh po, tandaan natin, ito yung sitwasyon kung saan continuous yung pagbonus natin, hindi sabay. Kumuha tayo ng isa, then ibinalik, then kumuha ng pangalawa. Okay? Yung mga nauna kasing probability natin, we are just getting one pick. Kaso nga lang, there are different situations, there are different conditions. But this time around, it's a multiple, it's a compound compound probability dahil pagkabunot mo ng isa, there's another action na kailangan mong bumunot. Okay? Let's have another given. Situation number 2. Consider a box that contains 14 red balls, 12 blue balls, and 9 yellow balls. Same, given pa rin. Suppose 2 balls are drawn one after without putting back the first ball. Ibig sabihin, hindi ibinalik. Kinuha pero hindi binalik. What is the probability that the first is red and the second is blue? So, balik tayo sa idea. Ilan po muna yung bola natin?
35 po.
35. Let's have letter A po muna ha. Yun. Let's have letter A. Ang una raw ay red. What is the probability of red?
14/35.
That's 14/35. Kompleto pa siya. 14/35. Kaso, yung sumunod is blue daw. What is the probability of blue? Anong probability ni blue? Anyone? Ilan ang blue?
12 po.
12. That's correct. Anong nasa ilalim natin?
55 po.
34 po. 34.
It will be 34 na lang. That's the difference. Kasi yung una ibinalik. Ito, without putting back, hindi binalik. Ibig sabihin, apektuhan na yung probability na meron tayo sa box kasi meron nang nagkulang. Kasi hindi binalik. This is what we call dependent probability. Okay? So, dependent probability ay yung sitwasyon kung saan naapektuhan ng first bunot or first choice yung second choice. Okay? So, dahil kanina 35 yung bola, kumuha tayo ng isang red. Yes po, kumuha tayo ng red, hindi natin pinalik. So technically, nabawasan na yung laman ng box which is 34 na lang. Pero yung blue, still it's 12 kasi hindi naman red ang kinuha, hindi naman blue yung kinuha natin kundi red. So now, the second probability will be 12 over 34. So we have to find its lowest term muna. Let's start with 14 over 35, both divisible by 7. This will be 2 over 5. How about 12 and 34? May lowest term?
6 over 17 po.
That will be 6 over 17. That's correct. Then, I think wala na naman lowest term. Kahit i-diagonal natin. So, that will be 12 over 85. Tama?
Yes po.
12 over 85. So now the probability of getting red, then second is blue. Without putting back the first bunot, it will be 12 over 85. Let's go with the second one. Sabi, gusto raw niya dalawang yellow. So reset tayo. What is the probability of getting the first ball as yellow?
160 nga. 160 nga.
9 over 35 po.
Yes, that's correct. That's 9 over 35. How about the second ball? The second yellow. Gusto niya sa pangalawang bunot ay yellow din.
9 over 34 po.
No.
8 over 34 po.
Correct. It will be 8 over 34. Tama yung kanina nung nagsalita na 34 kasi alam niya na nabawasan niya. Nabawasan nga, that's 34. Bakit naging 8? Kasi doon sa yellow natin binawas yung una. So technically, ang nabawas natin sa una isang yellow. So technically, 34 lang siya. At pati yung bilang ng yellow nabawasan. From 9, naging 8. So that's 9 over 35 times 8 over 34. Okay, so what will be the lowest term? May lowest term ba tayo dyan? Meron ba tayong pwedeng i-lowest term? 9 over 35
Meron po,
pwede
sir.
ba?
Hindi po.
I think yung 8
Yung
over
8 over
34 pwede
34
natin. Both divisible by 2. So this is 4 over 17.
17 po.
So I think wala na. 4 times 9,
36 po.
36. Then 35 times 17,
595 po.
595.
95.
So that is the probability. Nakita niyo po yung difference ng independent at dependent. Okay? Sa independent, hindi naapektuhan ng unang bunot yung pangalawang bunot. While the second naman ay naapektuhan ng unang bunot yung second bunot. Okay? Okay. So let's have another one.
Ha?
Okay, yun. How about this one? A toy box contains 12 toys, 8 stuffed animals, and 3 board games. Maria randomly chooses 2 toys for the child she is babysitting to play with. What is the probability that he choose 2 stuffed animals as the first 2 choices? So paglalaroan, ibig sabihin, hindi siya ibabalik pag gagamitan niya.
Wala ka rin matagal ng header. Bago nakalagay 2022.
Okay po. So ilan lahat ang ating laruan?
12 po.
Sorry na.
Ilan po ang ating laruan na nasa box?
12 po, sir.
23 po.
There are 23, di ba, in total. So 23 toys ang nasa loob. Diba? 12 toys, 8 stuff, and okay. So 23 sila. Ngayon, ang sabi niya, ang gusto niya ay palalaruan niya sa bata, ibig sabihin hindi babalik. Hindi na babalik. Pag pinalaro niya, kukuha ulit siya ng pangalawa, then ibibigay ulit dun sa babysitting. Kaso ang gusto niya, two stuffed animals. Okay. So what will be the probability of the first stuffed animal? What will be the probability of the first stuffed animal?
Yun sa sama. Hindi na ako nagagawa ng ganun. Wala rin naman magagawa.
8/20 po.
8/23.
Parang hindi naman sila maglalagay.
Yan. Ngayon, kung 8/23 yan, what will be the second kung hindi naman babalik yung unang kinuha at kukuha ulit siya ng isa pa ulit stuffed animal?
Ano yun ang sabi ni sa akin ng yung kisali, yung
Stuffed animal yung una natin kinuha. Hindi na kumuha tayo ng isa pero hindi na babalik. What will be the next stuffed animal?
7/22 po.
Correct. That will be 7/22. So, tingin tayo ng pwede nating i-lowest term. I think it's 8 and 22. Both divisible by 2. So, this will be 4 and this is 11. Diba? 4 times 7,
28 po.
28. Then 23 times 11,
253 po.
ilan po?
253.
253. So that is the probability of getting two stuffed animals natin. Okay. That's another one. Yeah. A basket contains 6 apples, 5 bananas, 4 oranges, and 5 guavas. Dominic randomly chooses one piece of fruit, eats it, and choose another piece of fruit. Sa palagay nyo, kapag kumuha, maibabalik pa natin matapos kainin?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na po.
So that what kind of probability is this?
Dependent po.
Dependent. Okay po. So in that case, we have a dependent probability. Ano ang probability if we choose banana then apple? So let's go with the banana first. What is the probability of getting banana as the first choice?
5/20 po.
5/20 po.
5/20. That's correct. How about apple as the second choice?
6/19 po.
6/19 po.
6/19. That's correct. So tama po. Nabawasan na siya. So tingnan na lang natin kung paano natin siya malo-lowest term. So I think 5 and 20 can be in lowest term. That can be 1/4. Tama. 1/4. Ito na lang natin sulat. 1/4. 4 at 6 pwede pa. So this will be 3/2. Yan. So, meron pa ba? Tingin ito, wala na. So 1 times 3.
3 po.
2 times 19.
38.
38. So the probability of getting a banana then apple is 3/38.
Si Papa Dons.
Clear po?
Si ano kaya? Hindi naman masasama.
Let's have the next one. Last one.
Ba't nabawasan na ulit? Wala si Rose mo.
Nick has 4 ball pen, black pens, 3 blue pens, and 2 red pens in his school bag. Nick randomly picks 2 pens out of his school bag. What is the probability that Nick choose 2 blue pens if he replace the first pen back in his pocket before choosing another one? What kind of probability is this? Independent or dependent?
Independent po.
Independent
Independent
kasi
po.
may word tayo na replaced. So ibinalik naman siya. So ang gusto niya ay 2 blue pens. So what is the probability of the first blue pen?
Sabi ni Pag-ibig. Kasi lumayo yan.
3 over 9 po.
Layo naman noon.
3 over 9. How- How will be, what is the probability of the next blue pen?
3 over 9 pa rin po.
3 over 9 pa rin. So, pwede natin siyang lowest term. That will be 1/3 times 1/3. Diba? So, what is the final probability?
1 over 9 po.
1 over 9. So, the probability of getting 2 blue pens successively with replacement is 1 over 9. Clear po tayo? Question? Clear po tayo? Liwanag po?
Yes po, sir.
Okay po. In that case, okay po. So that ends our lesson. Again, balikan lang natin. When we talk about independent and dependent, both deals with successive choosing or picking. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila ay kapag independent, ibinabalik natin ang kinuha natin o pinapalitan matapos natin mabunot. Ibig sabihin walang nababago sa second or sa mga susunod na bunot. Ibig sabihin mananatili ang number of choices natin na pareho. Pero kapag dependent naman, ibig sabihin kapag bumunot ka, it's either hindi mo na ibabalik o papalitan. So ibig sabihin na naapektuhan yung second choices natin o probability ng second choices natin. So bumababa ang ating choices. Okay? So hoping na clear naman po ang independent and dependent. Clear po?
Ang ano nga namin, kaya
Any question?
Wala po, sir.
Okay po, liwanagin ko lang ha. Pag naghalo-halo yan, paano natin malalaman na pinag-uusapan natin mutually exclusive at non-mutually exclusive or independent-dependent. Tandaan natin sa mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive, isang beses lang bubunot. Pero yung condition lang, there are 2 or more conditions sa bunot na yon. Pero kapag independent-dependent, more than 1 ang pagbunot. Pwedeng ibabalik or hindi ibabalik, basta more than 1. Clear po tayo doon? Hey. So for this one, wala na ako ibibigay sa inyo na activity for independent-dependent. Diretso na tayo sa summative. Kasi nandun na rin naman yung activity nyo for independent-dependent. So wait nyo lang po, ang ipapasa ko po sa inyong summative again. For your summative, there are questions. Ang mga naunang questions ay there are 2 parts. Meron pong multiple choice question and meron pong straight question. So unang part is the first 9 questions ay mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. For the next 9 question, that will be independent-dependent. And for the second part naman ay doon po yung ating pong sinulba na Venn diagram.
Ako na magagawa.
Okay?
Yung paglilipat ng mga ano.
Yung
So, hoping this is clear.
ang problema.
Clear na po tayo. So, thank you very much for attending. Okay? So, hintayin nyo na lang po ang ipapasa ko yung summative exam. Bye-bye po.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye po, sir. Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
Thank you po, sir. Bye-bye.